Hey, and welcome to the 3-Minute Node, where we go from zero to pro in under 3 minutes. Today, we're tackling architectural visualization, using nothing but a free online sketchpad, the free open-source Stable Diffusion 1.5 model, and the incredible power of Controlnet Scribble. This is the fastest, lowest-cost way to blueprint photorealistic environments. First, the core elements. Our model today is Absolute Reality v1.8.1, a popular checkpoint based on the Stable Diffusion 1.5 architecture. SD 1.5 models are smaller and faster than newer generations, which means a quicker workflow for us. Absolute Reality is renowned for generating sharp, photorealistic, and highly detailed images. Our process starts with a blank canvas on a free online sketchpad. The power of the Scribble Controlnet is that it interprets even a rough, black-and-white sketch as a structural guide. Unlike Canny, which requires precise edge detection, Scribble gives us the creative freedom of a concept artist, making it ideal for loose, initial planning. This keeps the entire process free and efficient, right in line with our philosophy. Let's plug our sketch into the workflow. We're using a standard ComfyUI setup with an empty latent image node to start, and we'll begin with a standard K-sampler run without Controlnet. Here is the ambitious prompt we are feeding the model: photorealistic ultra-wide shot of a modern luxury house exterior, stunning contemporary architecture, large floor-to-ceiling glass windows, dark metal frames. As you can see, a standard K-sampler run without Controlnet, the result is only adequate. It's photorealistic, but it is random and does not have the composition and layout we had in mind. The image is generated purely from the prompt, which, even though it's detailed, can't nail the spatial relationship we want. Let's unlock the actual potential. We route our sketch through the Controlnet Advanced node, connecting the Scribble model to our conditioning. Keep the style and detail of the prompt, but strictly follow the overall structure of this sketch. We run the sampler again. With the exact same prompt, the architecture's form, the placement of the pool, and the horizon line all snap into place, guided by our simple lines. Now, for a quick refinement. The structural composition of that first sketch was either too rigid or simply awful. I'll take a moment to adjust the drawing on the free sketchpad. Running this new, improved sketch through the same Controlnet workflow gives us the final, high-impact result. We finish by using an upscale model loader and image upscale to boost our resolution. That's the 3-Minute Node shortcut to professional architectural visualization. We translated a few hand-drawn lines into a fully photorealistic environment in minutes, all using free and open-source tools. And that's the node, all open source, no filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.